Hi everyone and welcome back. This is Angela from Homestitch Heaven, and now we have what we have right now is our angel dress that we made on the machine with sleeves, and you can see that it's going to be just gorgeous. What we're going to do right now though is something special because I didn't like the way that the sleeves were going to turn out. So I'm actually going to apply something to the sleeves to make them even more cohesive with the rest of the design. What I have here is a product that's a fusible edging, okay? I'm going to iron this right onto the edges of these sleeves so that when we go to put it onto the dress, onto the angel, it's gonna make it look beautiful. So I'm gonna have you watch what I'm doing. So I have my sleeve. I'm gonna leave a little extra over because I'm gonna fix that in a minute. And I'm gonna come on here with my iron, start ironing this down. I'm going to shape it as I go around to how I want it to be. And then I will iron it very lightly. This is a cooler iron because I don't want to melt my velvet. And you see, now I've added this nice edging to the arm. I'm going to continue around. Do that one more time. You see me? It's very easy. It comes with a paper backing on it. You peel the paper back and then you just iron it right down. Once we get it around, completely around, I'll go back and fix that. So now I can cut this where it will overlap slightly. Just like this. And don't worry if it's not exactly straight because that part this is all going to be glued down anyway. So let's put the bottom down first. Then we lay the overlap over the top of it. And then I come behind with my really sharp scissors. I just trim that down. Trim it back to where you want it to be. Okay? And if you make a little mistake like I did and clip a little too much, what do? You just take a little piece and you cover it right over. And there you go. Now I have a little extra piece added. And you'll never know because it'll be perfect when it's gathered up and cinched onto the arm because that won't show. So let's do that one more time on the other sleeve and I'll meet you right back.